Namaste everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we are solving class 10th Algebra Maharashtra Board Syllabus Practice Set 2.3. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. We are solving the solutions of this question number 1, 2 and 3. Then please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then thanks for subscribing. Question number 1 is solve the following quadratic equation by completing square method. The given quadratic equation is x from the equation as it is, that is in the solution part. The solution x square plus x minus 20 equals to 0. Now we have to compare this x square plus x, means write down here, compare x square plus x square plus x with x square plus twice of xy. Now here one of the most important step of this problem is that if here is plus, then you have to compare with x square plus xy, or if there is minus here, then you have to compare x square minus twice of xy. If here is plus, then you have to compare with x square plus twice of xy. You have to compare with x square plus twice of xy. If here is minus, then you have to compare with x square minus of twice of xy here. Now on comparing x square plus x with x square plus twice of xy, we get the value of x square is x square, then plus x will be equals to twice of xy. It means that this twice of xy will be equals to this x. Then write down here twice of xy equals to x. Now here x is on both sides, x and x gets cancelled. Now twice of y will be equals to 1, then y will be equals to 1 by 2. Now on squaring this y square, the square of y means we have to square this 1 by 2 whole square, therefore y square will be equal to square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. Then we get y square equals to 1 by 4. Now write down the equation as it is, that is x square plus x minus 20 equals to 0. This is the given quadratic equation, which we can write as x square plus x plus 0 minus 20 equals to 0. We are adding 0, means this equation is as it is. Here x square plus x means instead of this 0 you can add plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. This is the another important step, because we have calculated the value of y square, then we have to add 1 by 4 and subtract 1 by 4. Then the result of this 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 0. Therefore we are putting instead of 0 this value. Now here minus 20 as it is equals to 0. Now another most important thing is that always add plus first and then subtract. Add and subtract. Now here x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Now here by taking minus common from both of these, we are taking this minus common, means here 1 by 4 remains in bracket and this minus is also taken common, therefore it will be plus of 20 will equals to 0. Now here you can see that this x square plus x plus 1 by 4 is complete square of 1 by x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now this minus as it is. Now solve this 1 by 4 plus 20 equals to 0 as it is. Now here x plus 1 by 2 whole square will be equals to, now this is minus 1 by 4 plus 20 in bracket. On shifting to the right hand side it will become plus of 1 by 4 plus 20, which you have to keep in bracket. Now on solving this, x plus 1 by 2 whole square as it is, now 1 as it is plus 20 into 4 divided by 4. Now we have taken this denominator common for both. Now x plus 1 by 2 whole square as it is, now this 1 as it is plus 20 into 4, that is 80 divided by 4. Now we get x plus 1 by 2 whole square equals to 1 plus 80, that is 81 by 4, which can be written as x plus 1 by 2 whole square equals to 9 by 2 whole square, means square of 9 is 81 and square of 2 is 4. Now we get this step, that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square equals to 9 by 2 whole square. Therefore, by removing the square from both the sides, that we get x plus 1 by 2 will be equals to plus of minus of 9 by 2. When we remove square sign, there plus minus comes. Now here x plus 1 by 2 equals to plus minus 9 by 2. This can be written as x will be equals to, now this plus 1 by 2 will be shifted to right hand side and will become minus 1 by 2, and this plus minus 9 by 2 as it is. Now this will becomes x equals to minus 1 by 2. Now choose the first, plus 9 by 2 will be equals to, now here minus, here denominator is common, by taking denominator common. Now minus 1 plus 9, minus 1 plus 9 will be equals to plus of 8 by 2 will be equals to 4. We get the first value, that is x equals to 4. Now here another value of x will be equals to minus 1 by 2. We have chosen first plus, then we have to choose minus right now. Now minus 1 by 2 as it is, minus of 9 by 2 will be equals to, denominator is common, that is write down 2 here, minus 1 minus 9 will be equals to, minus 1 minus 9 is minus of 10 divided by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and here minus into 5, that is minus of 5. We get another value, that is x equals to minus of 5. Therefore x equals to 4, which is the first value, and x equals to minus 5 is another value. We get the two values of x. Question number 2, that is x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Write down in the solution the quadratic equation as it is. Now we have to solve this. Now compare this x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x with x square plus twice of x y. Now here is plus, therefore we are comparing with x plus 2xy. If there is a minus, then we have to compare with x square minus twice of xy. This sign and this sign must be same. Now when we compare this x square is equals to x square as it is. Now this twice of x will be equals to twice of xy. It means that this twice of xy is equals to this twice of x. Now here twice of x and twice of x is common, therefore it is cancelled. Therefore here remains y equals to 1. Now on squaring, square of y equals to square of 1 equals to 1. Here we get the value of y square equals to 1. Now write down this quadratic equation as it is, that is x square plus twice of x minus 5 equals to 0. We have written this quadratic equation here as it is. Now here x square plus twice of x plus 0 minus 5 equals to 0. Now here 0 means if we are adding 0 to this quadratic equation, means this quadratic equation remains as it is. Now here x square plus twice of x plus, now here the value of y square is 1. We have to adjust the value of y square here, that is plus 1 minus 1. The value of this plus 1 and minus 1 is 0. Therefore instead of 0 we have written 1 minus 1. We have to, for this adjustment we have to use this y square. At first write down plus 1 and then minus 1. Now this minus 5 as it is, minus 5 as it is equals to 0. Square plus twice of x plus 1. Now this minus 1 and minus 5 is minus of 6 equals to 0. Now give bracket to this. Now you can see that this x plus 1 whole square is the value of x square plus twice of x plus 1. Means when we expand this x plus 1 whole square, the value is x square plus twice of x plus 1 minus of 6 remains as it is equals to 0. It means that the value of x plus 1 whole square, that is the value of this, will be equals to plus of 6. On shifting this minus 6 to the right hand side becomes plus of 6. Now it can be written as x plus 1 whole square equals to under root of 6 whole square. When you take root of 6 square, that is plus of 6. Now here x plus 1 whole square is equals to root of 6x square. Now remove this square, we get x plus 1 equals to plus minus root of 6. When we remove the square sign, here comes plus minus, means two values, that is root. Here the value of x plus 1 equals to plus minus root of 6. Therefore the value of x will be equals to plus minus root of 6 as it is. Now this plus 1 is shifted to right hand side and will become minus of 1. Now here we get two values, that is plus root of 6 minus 1, and another value that is minus root of 6 minus 1. Therefore the value of x equals to, that is plus root of 6 minus 1, or another value that is a minus, that x equals to minus of root of 6 minus 1. The next question, that is question number 3, m square minus 5m equals to minus of 3. In the solution part, write down the problem as it is, that is m square minus 5m equals to minus of 3. Then it can be written as m square minus 5m as it is. Now we are shifting minus 3 to left hand side, it will become plus of 3 equals to 0. Now we get the quadratic equation as m square minus 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to compare m square minus 5m, that is m square minus 5m with, listen carefully here, we have to compare this m square minus 5m with this m square minus twice of mn. Now here is a minus sign, therefore here comes the minus sign. Now the x square is replaced by m square, therefore here comes m square. Now instead of m we are using m, and the variable next to m is n, therefore we are using n. Now here on comparing m square minus 5m with m square minus twice of mn, we get m square as it is. Now the value of that is 5 minus 5m is equals to minus of twice of mn. Therefore write down here minus of this twice of mn equals to minus of this 5m. We get minus of twice mn equals to minus of 5m. Here minus and minus, that is cancelled, m and m is also cancelled. We get twice of n equals to, the value of twice of n is 5. We get the value of n equals to 5 by 2. Now on squaring n, the square of n will be equals to 5 by 2 whole square. Therefore n square will be equals to 25 by 4. Now we get the value of n square, that is 25 by 4. Now write down the quadratic equation, this quadratic equation as it is, that is m square minus 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Now here m square minus 5m plus 0 plus this 3 equals to 0. Now here we get m square minus 5m plus 0, means we have to adjust the value of n square, that is as a 0, that is 25 by 4. Always write down the plus term first. Minus 25 by 4 means 25 by 4 minus 20 by 4. The value of this 25 by 4 and 25 by 4 is 0. Therefore we are substituting this value plus 3 as it is equals to 0 also as it is. Now here you can see that m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4, in bracket write down minus 25 by 4 plus 3 equals to 0. Now you can see that this m minus the square root of this 5 is the square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 4 is 2 whole square. Now this is the expansion of this m minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 plus 3 equals to 0. It is as it is. Now here m minus 5 by 2 whole square will be equals to, now we are shifting minus 25 by 4 and plus 3 on this side, it will becomes plus of 25 by 4. Now this plus 3 will become minus of 3. Now on solving this, m minus 5 by 2 whole square as it is. Now this 25 as it is minus this 3 into 4, that is 3 into 4 divided by 4. Now we have taken this denominator common. Now m minus 5 by 2 whole square can be written as 25 minus 4 into 3, that is 12, divided by 4. Now here m minus 5 by 2 whole square equals to 25 minus 12, that is 13 by 4. Now here you can see that m minus 5 by 2 whole square can be written as root of 13 divided by 2 whole square. Root of 13 square is 13 and square of 2 is 4. Now we get, on removing the square, we get m minus 5 by 2 equals to root of 13 by 2. One important step we have to do is always take plus minus here when you remove this square sign. We get m minus 5 by 2 equals to plus minus root of 13 by 2. Now on solving this, we get m minus 5 by 2 equals to plus minus root 13 by 2 as it is. Now we get m will be equals to plus minus root of 13 by 2 as it is. Now this minus 5 by 2 will be shifted to right hand side and will become plus of 5 by 2. Now on solving this, we get two values, that is m equals to plus root 13 plus 5 by 2. Now here the denominator is common, therefore we are taking denominator here, or the other value, that is m equals to minus of root 13 plus 5 divided by 2. These are two values.